Man, I'm glad we won that game where I killed that one guy with the bazooka on that armored truck.
I thought you missed from a distance.
No. I smoked the one guy. The guy that was on the gun. The other guy jumped off at the last second and saved himself, then he got waxed. So when
I just realized like a couple games ago.
What's that?
That I could reload without like holding X, you know what I'm saying? Like reloads the whole mag.
Oh, nice.
When am I what?
I was gonna say, when are you gonna dump a baby in the missus?
Never.
You better not.
Maybe like 10 years.
10 years? You're gonna be a fucking old man in 10 years.
Good. Get my life out of the way and then have a kid.
No, you get your kid out of the way, that way you can enjoy your older years.
Yeah.
You don't want to be the fucking old man taking his son to jiu-jitsu classes and you can't do anything with him. Like, sorry son, I'd get in there and roll around with you, but you'll break my hip.
Nah, my dad's 50 and he does it.
Yeah, but he had you when he was what, 20-something?
Yeah.
That's my point.
That doesn't change anything though, he's still rolling.
Yeah, but if you wait until you're 50 to have a kid, you'll be 70 when your kid's 20.
I'm not 40. Right now.
Not yet. It's coming.
How old are you now?
Nigga, I'm 30. I'm an old man.
Old.
I feel like I'm old. Should have took better care of my body. Oil field.
You haven't even hit your physical prime yet.
Oil field trash my physical prime.
Nah, you got till you're 32.
Fuck. That's for people that work like normal jobs and live normal lives and stuff. Statistically, I've been awake more than 90% of Americans that are double my age.
Yeah. I think I hear somebody.
You better not.
Yep. Got him.
Hell yeah. Look at this fancy ass gun I got. Mmm.
Oh, hold on 1 second. Is that an AUG?
Yep.
Huh.
You want to try it out?
Nah, you go ahead.
It only gave me 30 souls. What a fucking homo. Zone's coming.
It's a creepy, like, the zone.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it freaked me out the first time. There's a Thompson right here.
Ooh, yeah, there's a slot machine.
You know there's a guy right here? Two-man team.
What? Oh,
in
yeah.
the car.
There's 2 of them.
You better run. Oh, he got out? I hit him twice.
Oh my god, on me. He tried to hit me. Man, he's 1 shot. He's on me. He's 1 shot. Yep. The other one's aiming at you. He's behind
Yep.
you.
He doesn't have what it takes. He's a big fat pussy boy.
He's behind that big pillar.
Just keep moving.
I didn't mean to do that.
Whoa, nice try with the bazooka. That was amazing. Oh, he got me. I got him, but he got me.
Oh wow.
There's a fire right by you.
Right?
Right behind you. To your 105.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. That son of a bitch. Dude, looking through that scope on that AUG, I just saw the rocket just blow my face to pieces. You know,
I can't believe I lost that first fight.
You know for sure that guy thought it was over, that he was gonna get us.
Yeah.
But then he remembered he's a big fat pussy boy. That son of a bitch. Yeah, I shot this guy so many fucking times. I shot him even before I engaged him the first time. Or, like, engaged him the second time. Like, the first time, I lit him the fuck up.
That's how I felt about the guy over there. I dumped like almost a full Thompson magazine into him.
Fucking bitches. I have a night scope if you need it. I don't know why I'm carrying it. You need to eat, sir.
Yeah, I was trying to get some ammo.
I could have swore I saw one of those. Was there one of those by the fire?
What?
The drum mag Thompson?
I picked one up, the one you marked. By the fire, I don't know.
Could have swore I saw it and was like, I want the guns that I have. Maybe not. Where did I see it?
You did mark one a while back, and I did pick it up.
Tripping. And $1 grand. Nice. How many rounds you got for the Thompson?
Just one mag.
I got 60.
I'll take this grand.
I was gonna say I got 60 rounds.
Do you want it?
With this, with my stick mag Thompson. If you'd rather have that.
I'd kind of rather have the grand.
Go.
Unless you're taking it.
No, send it. I was just gonna try to give you that gun. I'm gonna use the AUG until it's out of ammo.
Right.
There's guys over there.
Yep. I could pop him too.
Send it.
Oh, he's moving. There's another team. There's another team up there. 2 teams. Yep, they're fighting. That's you?
Yeah.
Okay. One right here. Smoked him. Oh, there's one close. There's one close.
Knocked him. Right on you.
On me.
Nice. I was just getting ready to start pulling trigger. He's got Johnson's rifle.
Ooh.
Damn, neither one of those guys had speed needs, huh? Nope. That's unfortunate.
Circle the moon. What vehicle? Coming down the road, over the bridge, right to us.
Coming on you, coming on you, coming on you.
Yeah. One's hurt near you.
Oh, god damn it. I let him. Oh, thank god he got waxed before he could get me. Oh.
No, there was another.
That's